Good morning, traders. Richard here, a quick Ichimoku Cloud Chart market review of Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Nice strong rally. In the last update, we were looking at this consolidation period here, looking for a potential swing trade rebound from these support levels. And then we highlighted the 106 and 109 as the upside targets, and now we've taken out both those targets. And if you note here how the turning down Ichimoku Cloud's been giving us plenty of swing trade opportunities. These turning line support zones, they give plenty of nice swing trade opportunities. We can see we had a nice strong rally, broke through the cloud chart resistance and then snapped back to rebound from that cloud chart support zone, that old level there, and then we continued our rally. Now we've touched the turning line a few times, so watch out, we can still touch the standard line of the Ichimoku Cloud. So that's now at a new high level. So the critical support levels to watch out for is this one, the actual turning line itself of the Ichimoku Cloud. And then we have the top end of the front end of the cloud. And by that time, the standard line of the Ichimoku Cloud would have catch up. And then we've got a risk that we might have a Fibonacci retracement of this entire move. So let's take a look at where that might be. So Fibonacci retracement projection on this move from this low when the rally started in April, rebounding from this exponential moving average, Fibonacci exponential moving average to this high. Look in those candles, there's slightly small little double top there, but we could expect some form of consolidation here. So now that retracement, the 23.6 retracement is here, and it's around about between the top end of the front end of the cloud and the standard line as well, because the standard line is going to pick up with this price action. So yeah, that's a major support zone, and that's also the downside risk in the current rally to keep an eye on that. But Bitcoin tends to have much larger corrections, so the downside risk to a 38% retracement would be a retest of this old significant resistance zone. So there's also downside risk to that level of 99. So it could come back to 100,000 pretty easily. Tends to have these quite strong pullback. In Fibonacci pullback, you can see this move as well, also roughly pull back to a 23 moving average. There we see, yeah, there we go, 23% one there. But so far so good. Great move in the in Bitcoin, and just watch out for these standard line support tests there, as well as the top end of the front end of the cloud. But we now need to break past the 111.9 thousand on 12,000 basically, and then go and find a new resistance level. Let's take a look at it on a 4-hour Ichimoku Cloud. On the 4-hour, you can see a beautiful cloud chart cross here. That's also a nice buy signal, plenty of time to buy the rebound trades as it tests the top end of the cloud for support. I can see plenty of swing trade rebounds there. So these levels are also the major support zones, the bottom end of the front end of the cloud as well, the top end of the cloud, so keep an eye on those levels. Critical thing to remember, price action below the cloud is bearish, so any price action starts to slice through here and stays behind the bottom end of the cloud, that will change the outlook on the 4-hour to bearish. But until then, we've got a bullish 4-hour Ichimoku Cloud, so keep an eye on that we right here at another support rebound zone, and then we can continue this rally if we break out of this small consolidation phase on the 4-hour Ichimoku Cloud. In terms of using the artificial intelligence engine, we've got plenty of buy signals on the Ichimoku Cloud that's quite successful using artificial intelligence. So the last volatility breakout trade, yeah, as well as that one's also highly profitable, and it captures some really great moves. Coincidentally, you can combine the AI and Ichimoku Clouds, because here you can see you had a double confirmation of that trade, because you had a rebound of a critical support zone as well as the standard line of the Ichimoku Cloud there. But the volatility breakout trade is still going strong. Now the trailing stop loss for the AI is here at 100,000.8. And that's kind of a volatility adjusted stop loss, very wide from where we are now. And from the Ichimoku Cloud, we've got a parabolic stop loss in and around just below the standard line of the Ichimoku Cloud there on the current trade. But so far so good, very strong move. A couple of buy signals on the cloud, couple of buy signals on the artificial intelligence engine, and just keep an eye out for that consolidation back down to these key support zones. In terms of the AI, artificial intelligence buy signals on the Ichimoku Cloud, you can see plenty of volatility breakout buy signals there across the cloud, and those are all very profitable. We had another confirmation buy volatility breakout here, another volatility breakout there, another one there, and then we've got the most recent. So we've got quite a few highly profitable artificial intelligence generated signals on Bitcoin. But going forward, keep a close eye on this support test, and any price action below the cloud, below the bottom in the cloud here, that is kind of a line in the sand. You do not want to see Bitcoin go below those levels. And also there's the trailing stop of the artificial intelligence for this particular trade. Until next time, thanks for watching, and happy cloud chart and AI trading. Bye for now.